got me out here in this foolishness.
I don't want to go out in the snow. It hasn't
No
snowed
dog
in
gonna
Houston
see.
in umpteen years. So this is a time for us to enjoy it.
Oh, Lord.
I want him to go out with me, and I want him to play in the snow with me for 5.2 seconds, and then we coming back in. Love? You found some gloves.
I already had gloves. These are for my grilling, though. Now I'll be going out frolicking in the snow for no reason.
You gonna frolic? You said frolic.
Get out of here.
Thank you for going outside with me.
Don't think me yet. I ain't out there yet. I can always back out. Make no sense.
All right, give me some.
Nope.
Some of that kiss.
I'll kiss you when
Give
we
me
come
some of
back.
that kiss. All right, come on.
You know what I'm doing here.
Oh my goodness, it's like real.
What you mean? It was like real.
You know, like Colorado real.
No, it ain't Colorado quite, but it's pretty doggone deep. I
Oh,
will say
it's
that.
really pretty too. They said it.
What the heck? She thought it was gonna happen. It's snow, woman. All right, don't start none, won't be none. Hey, that was terrible.
Come on, hurry.
I can't believe we out here. Hey, really? That's what we doing? Uh-huh.
Not in my head.
Nah.
Stop. It's abuse. You can't hold me.
Nah, you started this.
Why are you holding me?
That's how you do it.
No.
Stop it.
You holding me. That was cheating.
There is no cheating. It's too cold to be
You
out
ready?
here in this. See? She want to make her rules.
You abusive, babe.
I'm abusive. Don't be telling nobody that. So, talk to the people a little bit.
It's cold, but it's beautiful. It's really nice, especially because we haven't had weather like this. Cold weather, but not snow like this in forever. And it definitely wasn't this much.
I think it snowed once while we've been in this house, but
Not like this.
not, oh, no. Not like this.
So
The
it's
ice
really
is thick on the
nice.
roads, though, so
Yeah.
please stay home, people. Don't try to get out here in these streets.
It's so nice. The cars look cool.
It is cold.
I enjoy playing in the snow with you,
There's some
babe.
footsteps. Still snowing out here. Don't start. Stop. Really? All right. Y'all about to witness some. Oh, now you want to run. Now you want to run. Really? All my trees gonna be dead.
Huh?
It's cold out here.
It's starting to come down some more, so we might need to go inside now.
Oh, now you ready to go inside?
Yeah, because I won.
You won what?
The snowball fight.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Go where?
Inside.
Yeah.
After you. Stop!
Where you going?
The house is over there.
I was just trying to help you.
Now help me what?
Hey, don't hit me with that.
Then go inside.
Don't
I said go inside, okay? Come on.
put that down.
Okay.
Put it down. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, I give.
No,
I give.
no. Goodbye.
Babe.
Now she got the code to get up in here. You got the code to get in just like me.
I want you to open the door for me.
That
Like
what it
a
was?
gentleman.
Get out of here. There we go. Now throw up your silly snow.
Ready?
Yep.
And smile.
No.
Don't do it.
Don't do what? Get out of here. Now what?
It's gonna get my head.
Now what?
It's in my hat. I'm going inside.
Are you?
Yes.
Finally.
It's in my eyes.
You'll be all right.
Look at my hair.
Check it out. Ain't nothing gonna happen to them curls, girl.